Haier Storage Electric Water Heater. ABS flame-retardant back shell. Upgraded puff technology. 360 warm keeping. Multi-point water outlets widely application. Constant temperature control. Dual thermal proof. Leakage proof by pure physical structure. In case of electricity leakage, the voltage can always be kept lower than 5 volts. Ensure safety. A whole family safe bathing guarded. There are more options to choose from.